Hey my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. I am back with yet another super cool summer nail art design. But before I begin with the nail art design, if you are new here and visiting my channel for the first time, hi there, let me introduce myself first. I am Nitika and I post super fun, easy nail art designs that you can make right at your home. And also I post affordable nail polish review videos every week. So if that is something that interests you and you like watching nail art videos, then please do consider subscribing to my channel, and also don't forget to hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I post a new video. Now let's quickly get started with today's nail art design. As you can see from the pictures, I have chosen beautiful summery nail polish colors for this nail art design. But you can choose any of the favorite colors which you like and you have them in your collection. So I'm starting off by painting my thumbnail as well as my pinky nail in this dark blue navy nail polish. It's a non-branded one. I don't even remember from where I got this one, but I really love the dark blue shade of this polish. Then I'm going to use my favorite sea green color on my ring fingernail. It's from I think Faces Canada, and I have a review video on this nail polish on my channel. Then I am painting my middle fingernail as well as my pointer fingernail in this gorgeous yellow shade. I have also reviewed this nail polish from Bella Voste. If you want to know the details of this nail polish, let me know in the comments section down below. I am super lazy when it comes to putting down the details of the nail polish, so don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section if you would like to purchase any of these. Now I'm going to share a very quick tip that is going to help you make your lighter colors, especially the neon colors and the yellow nail polish, pop nicely. Usually we have seen that the lighter color nail polishes like the yellow one or the neon nail polishes, you need lots and lots of coats to make them look opaque. So if you paint your base with white nail polish first and then apply the coat of yellow nail polish or any of the neon nail polishes, it is going to pop just in the very first coat, or at the max you may require the second coat for them to work nicely. Now coming back to our nail art design, look how interesting this color combination is looking already. It looks so summery, especially those yellow nails. I love wearing yellow nail polish during summers. Which is your favorite nail polish color that you like to wear during summers? Do let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to know. Alright then, once our base is ready, now I am using one stroke technique to create my nail art design. So I'm going to use some contrasting colors here to create the design. As you can see, I am painting dark blue color as well as green color over my yellow nails, and the green color and yellow color over the blue base. And for the green base, I have used yellow and blue color to make those one stroke kind of designs. It's really simple. I have just picked up the nail polish brush and randomly put some strokes here and there. Not too many. I have just used 2 strokes on each of the nails and it's already looking so pretty. On the thumbnail I have made 3 strokes because I feel like it's a little bigger than the rest of my nails. Now moving on to the next step for this nail art design, as I'm going to do a little stamping fun, so I have applied liquid latex around all of my nails so the cleanup becomes easier later on. I'm going to be using this Born Pretty plate and I'm going to stamp this tiny flower on each of my nails. Stamping is super fun and you can get so creative with various stamping plates and colors. So let me show you how I do that. It's quite simple. I'm using the white nail polish and then scraping it off using the scraper and then picking up the flower over my stamper. It's a jelly stamper from Born Pretty store. Here I am removing the excess from the stamper so it does not get stamped on my nail using a small piece of Scotch tape. Then I am gently going to press it on my nail over the brush stroke pattern that we just made. I feel stamping nail art designs are super fun and they are really quick to make. So if you haven't given it a try, then do give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comment section below. Sometimes this happens, so it's okay. You can use a small brush to press on the design which did not lay flat on your nail, and it's gonna be okay. Make sure you clean your plate every single time you have used it before the next use. Cleaning your plate nicely is very important, as it is going to make sure to give you a nice and crisp design image every single time. So this is the last one. Now I'm cleaning the extra design using the Scotch tape, and I'm now placing the flower over my nail flat like so. See how pretty it is looking. I always love those floral kind of designs over the abstract base. And with this we have reached to the final step already. I can't believe how quick and fun this nail art design was. Apply a good layer of top coat to make sure your nail art design lasts for a longer time and it looks super shiny and glossy. And yes, don't forget to take off your liquid latex around your cuticles, and you will be left with super clean and beautiful manicure on your hands. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you will give it a try. If you have any questions, comments regarding this nail art design or anything in general, then don't hesitate to put it down in the comment section below. I love reading your comments and replying to them. Here's a final look of this manicure with a glossy top coat. But I couldn't resist myself and I tried out a matte top coat as well. And now I'm confused which one looks better, the glossy one or the matte one. So let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite. Do you like the glossy one or the matte one better? I hope to see you in my next video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe and hit that like button if you enjoyed watching this video. Alright then, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe and stay happy inside your homes. Bye!